Hi, my name is Mason with Third Loop. Today we're going to go over a little bit about how you can customize Clove in settings. So without further ado, let's go over to the left-hand corner and click on Settings right above your profile. So first you're going to see your display name. You're welcome to change this to whatever you want. Just hit Save. Next, you're going to see the tour and onboarding. This is super important and super helpful for users. This is an automatic tour that starts when you first enter the application, but a lot of people maybe dismiss it or move on or forget because they used it a long time ago. You can reset this tour at any given time, and it'll walk you through a lot of the different elements in the app. So I highly recommend doing that if you're getting started and learning where everything is or just want a good refresher. Next is chat, right? You can choose, in general, how long of a response you want. Standard works for most people. Custom instructions are really important. These help tailor your response and help define who kind of you are as a person, right? So mine's pretty simple. It's saying where I work and the disciplines that I'm building for and what kind of things I use. And up here are some suggestions, right? I prefer concise answers without unnecessary detail. I like formatting in this specific way. Anything that you find relevant. Copy on selection, right? When you drag across something in Clove, it'll automatically copy it to clipboard. If you hate that, you can unenable it. Intelligent context allows you to have some dynamic memory things going on in the background of Clove. This can be super helpful when you have long-running chats. Appearance, right? We have different modes. We have light mode, dark mode, and system default. If you don't like the timestamps on your messages, you can disable that. Templates are really important, and I'll probably make an entire video on templating in Clove. But in general, you could upload a document template and a presentation template, and Clove will auto-generate your documents when asked for into these templates. API keys, these are used for a variety of things. We'll have an entire video on API keys, but right here you can create them. Usage, this shows your usage stats, right? So how much chat usage you've done and how much storage you've used up. And then the about section shows your changelog and some versioning and some other helpful things. And with that, that's settings. Thanks.